Dear students, the chapter when we start the chapter to see here some important things of this related chapter is given. Division of fractions, reciprocal of fraction. What is reciprocal of fractions? The given numerator, suppose 4 by 9 is the given numerator, a given fraction. Here 4 is the numerator and 9 is the denominator. So when we write numerator, uh, when we write numerator in the place of denominator and denominator in the place of numerator, it is called the reciprocal of this given fraction. Let's start. Let's read this given given literature, which is very helpful to you. Don't forget to read this one. Two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. For examples, 4 by 9 and 9 by 4 are the reciprocals of each other since 4 by 9 into 9 by 4 is equal to 1, which I have already said. This one, the 4 by 9 is the fractions, 4 is in the place of numerator and 9 is the place of denominator. So numerator, the place of numerator will change in place of denominator and the place of denominator will change into place of numerator. This one the reciprocal, and 4 is divided by 4 in 1 times and 9 is divided by 9 in 1 times. So ones are 1. The answer of this question or the answer of this reciprocal, the product of this reciprocal is always 1. In general, if A and B is a fractions, then its reciprocal is B by A. A by B is a fraction and reciprocal is B by A. It's a very simple, and obviously we know A is in the place of numerator. Here A is in the place of denominator. B is the place of denominator. B become here as a place of numerator. Reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Let's the first examples. Write down the reciprocal of 3 by 7. Obviously 3 by 7, the reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Here the product of 3 by 7 into 7 by 3 is equal to 1 is given. Like all these numbers, here this one 3 whole 5 by 8, 3 whole 5 by 8, these mixed fractions will change into improper fraction. 3 whole 3 whole 5 by 8, 8 3 ja 24 plus 5 29. So 29 by 8 is the mixed fraction of 3 whole 5 by 8, and the reciprocal of these numbers is 8 by 29. And when the product of fractions and their reciprocals will be 1, so this one the properties I said. Division of fractions. Rule: to divide a fraction by another fraction, to divide a fraction by another fraction. Here A by B is a fraction, it is divided by C by D. So to divide a fraction by another fraction, the first fraction is multiplied by the reciprocal of the second. The first fraction is multiplied. Here this first fraction is multiplied by the reciprocal of the second, and this reciprocal C by D is the reciprocal of C by D is D by C. For example, simplify 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 6. So 4 by 9, here this divided by 5 by 6. So once again read the first fraction is multiplied. 4 by 9 is multiplied. See here 4 by 5 is multiplied the reciprocal of the given number. So 4 by 9 into Reciprocal of 5 by 6 is equal to 6 by 5. 4 by 9 into 6 by 5. 3 and 9, sorry, 6 and 9 have the common divisor of 3. So 3 twos are and 3 threes are. So 4 twos are 8 and 3 fives are 15. This one the answer of this given question. 5 by 7 divided by 10. As we know, divided by 10, it means the reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10, because 1 is always laying in the place of denominator. So 5 by 7 divided by 10 by 1. So 5 by 7 into 1 by 10, and 5 and 10 common divisor of 5. 5 ones are and 5 twos are. So 1 by 14. 1 by 14 is the answer of it. 5 whole 3 by 5 divided by 2 whole 1 by 10. So 5 fives are 25 plus 3, 28. 28 by 5 divided by 10 twos are 20 plus 1, 21 by 10. This one divided by 21 by 10. Change it into reciprocal of this number. 21 by 10 is 10 by 21. 28 by 5 into 10 by 21. And when you simplify this 28 by 5, the 28 and 21, the common divisor is 7. 7 threes are and 7 fours are, and 5 and 10, the common divisor is 5. So 5 ones are and 5 twos are. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8, and 2 into 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 8 by 3 is the improper fraction, and this improper fraction will change into mixed fraction. So 3 2s are 6 and remainder 2. So quotient is written as a whole, and remainder will get the place of numerator, and divisor is in the place of denominator. This one the answer of this. Example number 3. Divide 5 by 9 by 2 by 3. 5 by 9. Here by it means the sign of divide. 5 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So, the same 5 by 9 into the reciprocal of this number 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So 5 by 9 into 3 by 2. 5 ones are 5 and 3 twos are 6. So this one the answer of it. Here 5 by 6 is a proper fraction, not an improper fraction. In next question, 5 whole 4 by 7 by 13 by 14. So change into this mixed fraction will change into improper fraction. 7 fives are 35 and plus 4 39. 39 by 7 divided by 13 by 14. So 39 by 7 into 14 by 13. 7 and 14 both have the common divisor 7. 7 twos are and 39 and 13 have the common divisor 13. 13 threes are 2 into 3 6. 6 by 1. So the answer is 6, because 1 is always laying in the place of any number. In question number 3, 4 whole 2 by 7 divided by 2 whole 2 by 5. Change it this mixed fraction in improper fractions. So 4 sevens are 28 plus 2 30. 30 by 7 divided by 2 fives are 10 plus 2 12 by 5. Write down 30 by 7 into reciprocal of this number 12 by 5 is equal to 5 by 12. So 30 by 7 into 5 by 12. 30 and 12, the common divisor is 6. 6 fives are and 6 twos are. And 5 into 5 is 25 and 7 into 2 is 14. 25 by 14 is a improper fraction, and it will be changed into mixed fraction. 1 whole 11 by 14 is the answer of this one. Divide 28 by 7 by 4. Here 28, we have 28 divided by 7 by 4. So divided by 7 by 4, we'll write it into 4 by 7. This one the reciprocal of 7 by 4. 7 fours are and 4 into 4 is 16. 16 by 1. So the answer is 16. 36 divided by 6 whole 2 by 3. This 6 whole 2 by 3 is a improper is a mixed fraction. Change it into improper fraction. So 6 3 are 18 plus 2 20. 20 by 3. 36 by 1 divided by 20 by 3. So 36 by 1 into 20 by 3, the reciprocal of it, the reciprocal of 20 by 3 is 3 by 20, and write down into 3 by 20. 26 and 20, 36 and 20 have a common divisor is 4. So 4 nines are and 4 fives are. So 9 into 3 27 and 4 into 1 4, sorry 5 into 1 is 5. So 27 by 5. This one the improper fraction and will change into mixed fraction is 5 whole 2 by 7 is the this one the answer of it. From here the word problem has started. A rope of length 9 whole 3 by 4 meter is cut into 6 pieces of equal length. Find the length of each piece. 6 pieces of equal length. When the question has asked equal length, it will be divided by the given number. Length of the rope. Solutions. See all the steps it is required to solve when you solve any word problems. Length of the rope is equal to 9 whole 3 by 4 meter. These mixed fractions will change into improper fractions. 9 4 the 36 plus 3 39, 39 by 4. Number of equal pieces is 6 and length of each pieces. So the total length is divided by equal pieces, number of equal pieces. 39 by 4 is divided by 6. So as we know 6 by 1, here it is written, so 39 by 4 divided by 6 by 1. So 39 by 4 into reciprocal of this number 6 by 1 is, it is written here 1 by 6. 6 and 39 have the common divisor 3. So 3 twos are and 13 threes are. So 13 into 1 is equal to 13 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8. This one the improper fraction and change into mixed fraction. So 1 whole 5 by 8 is the answer. Hence the length of each piece is 1 whole 5 by 8 meter. This was the answer of it. The next question, example number 6. If the cost of 5 whole 2 by 5 liters of milk is rupees 236 whole 1 by 4, find its cost per liter. Solution. Cost of 27 by 5 liters of milk is equal to rupees 945 by 4. Cost of 1 liter of milk is equal to rupees 945 by 4 divided by 27 by 5. Here when it will be simplified it and we get the answer 175 by 4 and it is improper fraction change into mixed fraction and this mixed fraction is the answer of it. Hence the cost of milk per liter is rupees 43 whole 3 by 4. This one the answer. Example number 7. The cost of 5 whole 1 by 4 kg of mangoes is rupees 231. At what rate per kg are the mangoes being sold? Solution. Cost of 21 by 4 kg of mangoes. Here these mixed fractions will change into improper fraction and the cost of 21 by 4 kg of mangoes is rupees 231. Cost of 1 kg of mangoes is equal to rupees 231 divided by 21 by 4 kg and 231 into reciprocal of 21 by 4 is 4 by 21 and when the product of this 231 into 4 by 21 for 21 231 will be divided and the 11 times it will be divided. So 11 into 4 is equal to 44. So rupees 44 is the answer. Hence the cost, hence the mangoes are being sold at 44 per kg. In example number 8, the product of two number is 15 whole 5 by 6. If one of the number is 6 whole 2 by 3, find the other. Find the other. The product is given and one number is also given. So the the uh, the other number is the product of number is divided by the given number. Solution: product of two number is 15 whole 5 by 6 is equal to 95 by 6. One of the number is 6 whole 2 by 3 is equal to 20 by 3. All mixed fractions will change into improper fraction. The other number is equal to product of two number is divided by given number. So 95 by 6 into 3 by 20. 95 and 20 have the common divisor 5. So 19 5 ja and 5 4 ja, and 3 and 6 have a common divisor 3. 3 2s are. So 19 into 1 is equal to 19 and 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 19 by 8 19 by 8 is an improper fraction. It will be changed into mixed fraction. Hence the other number is 2 whole 3 by 8. This one the other number. Last example, example number 9. By what number should 6 whole 2 by 9 be multiplied to get 40? To get 40. Solution: product of two number is 40. One of the number 6 whole 2 by 9 is equal to 56 by 9. This mixed fraction will change into improper fraction. The other number is equal to product divided by the given number, we will get the other number. So the product is 40 is divided by 56 by 9. So 40 by 1 divided by 56 by 9. The reciprocal of 56 by 9 is 9 by 56. So 40 by 1 into 9 by 56, and 8 is the common divisor of 40 and 56. So 8 5s are and 8 7s are 56. 5 into 9 is equal to 45 and 7 by 7. So 45 by 7, this one the improper fraction and will change into mixed fraction is 6 whole 3 by 7. Hence the other number is 6 whole 3 by 7. Thus, all examples have been completed. Now, you have to start this exercise to see. On the basis of all examples, you have to complete it. All 5 questions in this is have given, along with I have given you the PDF in your parents portal. So, I hope you will have to solve all these questions. Till have a nice day.